Fabric will be a single stop, one-stop solution that contains everything or will contain everything eventually. Okay, and then I'll just briefly mention that there's also the lifecycle management concept where you can choose to implement the whole process and automate it, schedule it. So anytime your source data changes, you want to say that I want to create my new machine learning model, deploy it in an automated manner. So we do have the MLOps available or support available here. So think of MLOps as like DevOps, but this is meant for machine learning scenarios where your machine learning models will be deployed periodically in an automated manner whenever your source data has changed. So we have different tools available for this purpose. We don't have any time, plus it's not the scope of this brief session to talk about the tools, but we have lots of tools available to implement this automated machine learning model deployment concept and whatnot. And last but not the least, you have lots of data involved here. So you might want to secure your data. Who has access to what? Scientist roles, engineer, data analyst role, they all have to only access what is really meant for them. So that is where we use something called data governance. And technology, we have something called Purview, which lets you secure your data sources and whatnot. It's a whole different area. It's